Hi, I'm Emma. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this channel is dedicated to personal finance and my personal debt journey in 2020 to pay off $35,000 of debt in 1 year. So in this video, I wanted to review a program that I found through, what is the website? So the website, I'll put a link in the description box below, but it's a debt reduction calculator that I found while watching other videos on YouTube, and it's actually one of the best Excel spreadsheets I've seen. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to screen share so that we can review this step by step. Also, this is my dog in the corner. Hope you don't mind having a little corgi in the screen.
So this is the debt reduction calculator that I got from this linked website, which again, like I said, I'll put this in the description below because this is way too long to try to remember. But basically you go to this website, you download this spreadsheet, and this is pretty much what it's going to look like when you download it. I've been playing around in it a little bit, but basically what this is, it allows you to put in all of your debts with their balances, your interest rates, your minimum payments, and then I think this is for custom comments over here. You can calculate your monthly payment and it'll tell you your debt snowball without having to do the math yourself, which is pretty awesome. It'll also allow you to change this if you want to do a snowball, if you want to do an avalanche. You can do it based on the order entered into the table, or you can do some custom settings. It'll also give you a chart here. And then on the second page, this is the page that I think is absolutely like awesome. I was so excited when I saw this. But once I put in the data, you'll see it populates the numbers, but it basically shows you how quickly you pay down your debt. So let's go in and I'm going to put in all my information here. So I'm going to do this on the card that I want to pay off first to the loan that I want to pay off last. So let's start with my first one. I have a Wells Fargo credit card that has $9,644.40. Right now the interest rate is 0 and my minimum payment is $100. My second credit card is a Bank of America. I have $9,410.58. That one's also 0. That one's a $100 payment as well. And then my final thing that I have is my loan for $15,405.02, and that has an interest rate of 8.99%. My minimum payment is $529. So now you'll see here that I need a minimum of $729 to pay this. So if that's all you can afford to pay, you can type in $729. I want this to be the order that I entered into the table because these two cards I have to have paid by a certain date or they will start accruing interest. So I want to get those paid before that expires. And my loan, the interest rate's the interest rate, that's not going to change. So if I only make my minimum payments, it tells me that this will not be paid off until October of 2023. This will be paid in May of 2024, and this will be paid in November of 2022, which is correct because that is the, what was I going to say? That is the term of my loan. So this is when, if I only pay the minimum, when my loan will be paid. So let's go in. I've already calculated my debt snowball payment previously. So my debt snowball payment is actually $1,459.58. So I want to add the $729 to that. And I'm doing that on a separate sheet in Excel right now, so that's why I'm typing. So my total, if I include my debt snowball that I calculated before, plus my minimum payments, I pay $2,188.58 per month towards these debts. So it'll show you minus your minimum payments. My debt snowball is $1,459.58. So this table has now updated. This will be paid off by September of 2020. This will be February of 2021, which I do need to have that paid before then, or I'll start accruing interest. And then this one will get paid by July of 2021. So that's pretty awesome. That's if I only make the debt snowball payments. So now, like I said, what really excited me is this page right here. So this page allows you to put additional payments towards each card. So I technically haven't paid February yet, so I'm going to go back and adjust this and make it 1/1 of 20 because there we go, because I have not paid all of these yet for, actually I don't think I've paid either of these for February yet. I've only paid January's. So this one we've got updated. So let's see, I have another spreadsheet where I know for February I'm not going to be able to pay, actually no, so I've got my debt snowball I'm going to pay in February, so that'll go towards that. In March, I will have my debt snowball payment. In April, I am expecting to get my tax refund in April, and that will be around $3,500 that I should be getting back for my taxes. So I can put that in April and hit enter. And you can see that by paying that $3,500, this is significantly shrunk. I will also be getting a raise in March. And if I calculate my raise at 3%, I think I did this the other day. So if I calculate my raise and assume it's 3%, which is, I actually got more than that last year, but I want to be conservative and estimate that I'm going to get a raise of 3%, so I'll be getting an extra $191 every month. So I want to add that to this too, actually. So this would be 3691. And then every month after that, I want to include my raise of $191 because that money, even though I'm going to be making more, I want to make sure that that money gets paid towards my debt. I'm not going to take any extra of that money I'm making or anything like that. I also have the potential to get up to a 10% bonus in March. Now, I am not 100% sure if I'm going to get that bonus. I've been trying to like snoop around at work to see if we are in it for the bonus this year or not. I don't know. But let's just say for argument's sake that I am, just to kind of see where this is at. If I get my annual bonus, which at 10% of my salary is around almost $9,000, but you get taxed on it and 3% of it goes to my 401k. So once you take all of that out, I'd probably only get about 6,500 of that 10,000. So this would be, delete that, 6691 if I add both the bonus and the raise to it. And assuming that I get a $6,500 bonus and a $3,500 tax refund and a 3% raise, I will be able to have all of my debt paid by December of 2020, which when I did my math in Excel, this is what I calculated in my own really messy, ugly spreadsheet that I don't even want to show you guys because it's horrible. Like, it's so messy. This one is so nice. I love the way it shows this. So basically, I should be able to have this card paid in March. I should be able to have my Bank of America card paid in June. And then my loan is the very last thing I've got that should be able to get paid by December of 2020. So that's 11 months from now. This is really exciting to see because it helps me see the light at the end of the tunnel. And if you have more than 3 debts, this accommodates like several more debts. You could easily, put, what is this, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can put 10 debts in here, and I'm sure you could probably expand it to be more. But I'm just really excited to get this paid off. And by paying it off this early, I will only pay about $880 in interest. So now if we go back to the first page, this has now updated with our additional payments that we've put in, and it shows the same thing. This will take 2 months to pay, 5 months to pay, and 11 months to pay. The interest will only be $884. So hopefully this was helpful to give you guys an example of how I've calculated when I will be able to pay off my debts based on my current debt, the interest rates, why I've decided to pay the 2 credit cards first and then the loan. Also giving a nice visual so that you can see your debt snowball in action, and then a link to this Excel sheet in the comments because I thought this was really, really cool. And if I hadn't already done this in Excel on my own, this would be a really invaluable tool. So I want to share it with you guys just to make sure that you're aware of it because I wasn't. And like I said, I'm just really impressed by this spreadsheet. I think it's awesome. They also have a help tab here if you get stuck. It's got a lot of good information on it. So yeah, just wanted to go through this, show you guys how it works, make me, excited about paying my debt because seeing that in Excel just makes me really excited that it's like if I can stick to this for 11 months, I'll be done with my debt. So I think seeing that really helps solidify that I need to stick to the budget that I've made. So hopefully you guys will feel the same way with this. So thanks for tuning into this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.